Hey guys, welcome back to Charlotte's Cool Builds, and today I'm going to have a cat video. Like and subscribe if you like cat videos. Okay, so as you can see, my cat is just laying here. He's kind of making an M with his feet. His face is just right there. It's really funny. And it just bothers just, I don't know. He's really fun to play with. Sometimes when he sleeps on you, if he sleeps on you, when you try to move him, be really careful. Sometimes when he wakes up, he will just try to bite you. So that's one thing we don't like about our cats. Oh, he just moved. That looks like he's rubbing hands together. One of them is feet. Oh. Yeah, Casper sleeps in many photos. His name's Cat. Different ways. His name's Casper.